Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do copy trading in Binance app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a futures option at the bottom of this screen. So let's tap on that futures, and now you will be redirected to the futures trading section, where you can see there is a copy option at the top, which is at the right side of this box. So let's tap on that copy, and now you can see there is a tons of public traders over here, and you can see there is a three options as well. First one is public, another one is private, and last one is favorite. So let me tap on the public for now. So you can see there is a lots of traders over here. So what you need to do is you simply need to tap on the copy rather than mock. So let's tap on the copy, and now you can see there is a two options as well. First one is fixed amount and another one is fixed ratio. So let me tap on the fixed ratio for now. So you can see there is a copy amount. So let's say 100 USDT, and now I want to add a stop loss in the 50% of my losses. Then let's say 50%. Okay, now make sure you check mark these policies as well. I have confirmed profit sharing is 10% and another one, and finally tap on the confirm, and you will be able to copy trading in Binance app successfully. So basically this is how you can copy trading in Binance app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.